Number 4 is the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 film printer. The HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 film printer is an optimistic choice for those seeking a versatile all-in-one laser printer under $300, and it's not just for standard office tasks. Boasting a rapid print rate of up to 30 pages per minute, you won't have to endure any waiting time. Its monochrome print capabilities ensure that your designs emerge with precise and sharp details. Whether you're printing intricate graphics or bold text, the M227 fin consistently delivers top-notch quality results. With its integrated scanner, copier, and fax machine, this all-in-one printer perfectly fits small businesses and creative individuals. The 35-sheet auto document feeder simplifies your workload, allowing you to tackle large projects effortlessly. It is also designed for durability, and this printer can handle up to 2,000 pages daily, which ensures it meets your printing needs even during busy periods. This printer provides secure Ethernet connectivity that safeguards your designs from unwanted access. It also supports AirPrint and Google Cloud Print, which makes mobile printing effortless for those who work while on the move. Moreover, the LCD display offers a user-friendly interface, ensuring easy navigation. To get this laser printer right now, click on the link in the description box below.